Right, we are back doing this. The fitted door. We've got a wall plate on it now. Took off plaster at back. Well, some of it just needs a bit of fettling. There's quite a lot. It's stuck on, you know, the adhesive, so we chisel that off at some point later on. But yeah, if you missed the first episode, go have a look at it when we built this up and we got the big steel in. So I think, I've still got. I've got all that side to brick up. I've got a lot of brickwork to do, and then this is these doors are going to come out, that window and all that's going to get bricked up, but we've had some real bad weather lately, so I think we're going to do the roof first. It's having a big lantern in it as well. That's glass for it, right just behind that scaffolding. Then I picked some 7x2s up, 20 of them, and we're going to start this. I think we're going to bolt some round edge first. I picked some resin up, some concrete screws and some threaded bar with bolts on for back bit, and then we'll have to build the lantern up and see how big it is for before we start creating roof. Well, that's what we're going to do. So we've got it nice and tidy in here, and we'll start that. So that's, look, see how many dot and dabs these on there. It's a lot in it. But yeah, and then there's this to get off, but I'm thinking if we get these bolted on and then some wood on here, we'll be able to get up there without messing about on ladders and stuff. Probably build a scaffold up in here, Tim, first, do you reckon? Yeah. Yeah. Got it running round. We're just going to do that little bit there, but it's alright. A bit tight on that bit, won't go in. It must be a really hard brick, but what we're going to do is we're going to put the threaded bar that I've got down there, so that's going to go in at some point. Probably just get all joists on those first and then put them in after in between them, so we're not banging on a joist. Right, I've bolted them in for now, then we'll put resin bolts in later. That goes round. This is the roof lantern. Tim's just opening it all over there, and that's glass for it. We need to have a look at it, just see how big it is. I think it's 3 meters by 2 meters, but I want to measure it just in case. So this is it. Roger off Skill Builds actually put one of these in, and he said it was easy peasy. Ours ain't like that though, I don't think. It's just 4 pieces, so it looks easy enough. We'll see how it goes together. Right, so you can see how big it is. Look, we haven't fastened any of it up. It's easy to build it up on roof, otherwise it'll twist and what have you. It looks pretty simple, so we'll do that another day, but we can take his measurements off here and then we know where to make roof to, which is good. So that's all we need for now. Right, we're back inside. We've gone from centre of this door up, and then it's 3 meters, so 1.5 that way, 1.5 that way. We'll put them out there, so we're going to get joists on there, and then we'll put one on here. We'll go from there, and then it's 2 meters, 2 meters that way, 3 meters that way. Right, just had to roll that. I already messed up on first go, but it's good I realised earlier. So I've had to come 65mm this way on each end because it's the thickness of that. Otherwise, if we'd have put it on it just fell through all. So we've come back that little bit on this end. It's good if I saw that, otherwise would have been yep, would have had a problem. Right, we're gonna make it three wide. So the bits are full. So we've got 32, so 16 will be fine with this. Yep. So
Jesus Christ, where the fire and stuff.
Centre.
Yeah, I'm pushing.
You got it?
Yep.
Just pinning it for now.
I won't pin it on the side, Mark. I just pin it on that one for now.
It's only a pin. Just measure that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
Good, yeah. Tap your own now. Could do 2 hammers really like, couldn't we?
Yeah.
That's in. She's in. Nearly lost it.
Yeah, we did.
We're in now. Alright, look, we've just sat frame on just to make sure we're going to be good before we start. So we're going to thicken that up to 3, and then we'll have three on them all, like. So we know it's going to fit. I just wanted to try it because it's easier to take it down now and alter it than finish it roof and realising you've got a problem. But yeah, that should be alright. Look at the size of that, it's massive. View from down here, look. So you can see the size of that lantern, that's going to be it, look. Quite big. 72s these joists, and we've bolted them up, so I know we've only nailed them. We are going to bracket it all. I just wanted to, I need to see if I can get them that wide, some brackets, and then we'll bracket, well, we'll bracket everything and bolt them in. We haven't done that yet. A little tip, well, an helping hand, you can put, we've got like a board here underneath and a board there, so we can just literally just slot them on, look. It just makes it a little bit easier, and then they're pretty much perfect then. And you can also cut a piece of wood hot back as well if you want to, so you don't have to measure. So we're just going to pin them in, and then we'll get some hangers on these. Just finishing all the straps off, and then putting straps on here, wall plate straps. 2 more to go on there, and then we've got some on it things I could pick up, these square things. They didn't have any that bends over, so I had to put them on there, and then what I'll do is I'll put some chocks on here just to odd them. Right, so these fairings, are they fairings? What are these called? Drop a comment. 2 inch down to 0, got 16 of them, so they're going to go from thick end at back to 0 up front, and then it'll give it a slight fall. Need to get these on in a minute. Cut these ones for you, but just make sure I've got thick end, and then tails will do that side then. So. And the problem is, we've got absolutely loads of crap to get off here, which is going to be a nightmare really. But we need to cut all these to get them in, and that'll give us a slant. The only trouble is, his back's really, well, it's really long, so all water's going to sit here. So whether I make it go up a little bit in the middle so it goes down a bit, we'll see. And then this is the full one. Don't need to go crazy with nails because my screws, when I screw the board down, is going to cover most of them. Is that end, yeah? You got that end? That's bottom, Josh, like that, yeah? Have we measured it right? Should go. Will it go a little bit further to your end? Oh yeah, that's it, we're in. Are you in? Just a little tight, just wants to tap. Shove. Yeah, shove top out a bit. It's just bent in a little bit. There you go, look. Yeah, right, stop tapping a minute. Just flush that up. I do. It's that bit on. What it is, I've got my length in here, look, then I'll just put a mark on there. That's the cut. Then just mark there, and then we know we're good. We're going to be the same with them all. Right, I just put an extra 5mm on these middles, look, so it'll go that way, and then I put 2 in, look, and then it'll go that way, just to shove it off a bit, because it's going to get in a lot of water here if I don't. I think that'll work. Putting some PU glue down as well, but bloody ends popped off.
My fault.
You dropped it on the floor and buggered it up.
Well, I knocked it off ladder, didn't I?
So I'll start this backboard first, and then we're going to screw them all down, I think. The more these boards you get down, the more safer it gets. Oh god, that's a lot of glue. It's like treacle, this. Oh god. Right, Josh, yeah. Should go down, mate. Right, let go, yeah. There we go. Right, shove it, kick it to me just a little bit. Whoa, that's it, perfect. Right, I'll put some marks on. So there's marks on all joists, up there and up wall, there and up wall. So if you scroll them down, yeah, I'll cut another board. I think what I'm going to do with this side is it's going to come on 100mm over. So I need a joist here as well, bolted to brick. But I think I will pull board over, then I can screw joist at bottom at board, and then it'll be easy to drill. And then I'll have to drag all this crap out of here, and then I'll just fill it up with. Got some more insulation down there, and we'll fill it up with that before we board it. Fill the cavity up. 4 in a row, so yeah, ends, and then just get 4 in them all, get plenty in. And then glue a lot of it as well. Yeah?
Yeah, good. Yeah. Perfect.
So I just filled it up like that. I'll trim that bit off after, that board will sandwich it all down then, and then it'll stop that. Right, I've just squared all these up, so we're going for an 100mm overhang all the way around. I've squared it all up. These guys are just chiseling all this crap off that we need off. Right, I need to put some upstands on now. 150mm, probably 6-inch joists, 6-inch 6x2s. I'll put round edges. I need a joist under there as well, under each side of them, bolted to wall. So I'll do that now. Right, I've got that on. Got that on. That on. I've just left a little hole there because all this rubbish here we can sweep off first, and I'll just screw it in after. Well, that's it. I've got a little gap there in that roof, and I think I'm going to foam it. I've also got a foam under here. Oh, let's see if we can see it. I'm going to run some foam under this gap here, look. Foam all that in before we bolt this other piece of wood onto brick. And then I feel that's that where it went down up gable, look. So I'm going to have to build that up, but I'm not doing that today. I'll do that another day. We'll concentrate on roof. Yeah, I'm going to have to build some brickwork up there, like. Snow! Snow coming out. I'd do it that. Can do it electric drill. Oh, my arms are aching. I don't want to use a big drill.
See that?
There we go. Oh, easy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so we should be 318. So we'll get us a bit of that, and then oh god, so we'll get us top. So that's us top board, that piece I put on, and then 150 insulation, and there's 150 we're going for above us finished floor, which is bang on. So it's alright, just ignore that. That's where I've been recording from, my little posty thing. Ignore him and all, he's a pain in the ass. So it's really bad out there. Next stage is to put the what's it called?
Kingspan.
No, not Kingspan. The membrane down, vapor barrier. So we've got to put that in, then as Kingspan, and then another board of OSB, and then as roof. But that'll be in the next video, because I think we're gonna might do something else, because weather's I'm thinking if we put this stuff down and it rains, which it's going to do at 5 o'clock, it says it's just going to fill up with water. So that's still undone. I'll leave that out, and then if there's any water we can sweep it. Probably cover it up with a bit of visqueen tonight. We'll start on next. So that's it for this one. Catch you in the next one, eh? Give us a like, subscribe if you like this, and drop us a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.